Super Easy No-Bake Bars offer the plant-based protein from nuts and seeds. They also offer healthy fats, polyphenols, antioxidants, flavonoids, and amino acids. Coconut, and especially coconut oil, has benefits for the brain, is easily converted to energy, and is antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral. Choose your favorite or make according to the ingredients you have on hand. For each of these, you'll need an 8x8 or 9x9 inch baking pan fitted with parchment paper, as well as a food processor fitted with a knife blade. All 3 bars will need to be refrigerated for several hours. Try different dried fruits, nuts, and seeds. Add chia seeds or flax seeds. Or leave your variation in the comments below. And thanks for watching.